Assalamu alaikum dear student. In chapter number 9 we will proceed with the topic speed. In the lesson we will learn about speed and we will see that how to convert different units of speed. So speed is all about distance and time, and we will do the calculation about these three things: speed, distance and time. The formula to find out the speed, you have to must remember this triangle given, that it is a relationship of distance, time and speed. Speed equal to distance traveled over time taken. Distance can be measured in meter, kilometer, centimeter, etc. Time can be measured in minutes, second, hour, etc. And speed, as it is a ratio between these two things, distance and time, so speed units depend on the distance and time units involved in the concerned question. So when we will define speed, we usually think about that how fast something is moving. And more specifically, we say that speed of an object is defined as the distance traveled by the object per unit time. Hence, we can conclude that the speed equal to distance traveled per time taken. Most commonly used measurements of speed are kilometer per hour and meter per second. In the following exercise, we will see some different units like kilometer per minute, meter per minute, centimeter per second and centimeter per minute. In today's lesson, we will see the conversion of these units to each other. Question number 3 of exercise 9D is to express every part of this question in kilometer per hour unit only. So speeds are given in 4 parts. First part is 8.4 kilometer per minute. The speed is given in A part is 8.4 kilometer per minute. We are going to convert it into kilometer per hour. You can see that kilometer is same given in the question, but the given question is with minutes. We are going to convert it into hour. For this conversion, we know that 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. Now as there is no conversion in the numerator, we will not multiply anything in the numerator. But in the denominator, we replace 1 minute with 1 by 60 hour. Now fraction over fraction, how to solve it? We will take the round denominator to above numerator and it will become 8.4 into 60, and in the denominator it remain only 1. So after multiplication we get our answer, that is 504 kilometer per hour. Hence we have convert 8.4 kilometer per minute speed into kilometer per hour, and its answer is 504 kilometer per hour. The next part of this question is 315 meter per second. To convert it into kilometer per hour, we will do both conversion into numerator and denominator. Meter will be converted into kilometer. 1 meter equal to 1 over 1000 kilometer. As we are going to convert smaller unit to the bigger unit, so we will divide. Second to hour, 1 second equal to 1 over 3600 hour. Again, the smaller unit is going to convert into the bigger unit. So that's why we are going to take the fraction form of it. Now in the numerator, we will multiply 315 with 1 over 1000, and in the denominator we will multiply 1 into 1 over 3600. As we know that if there is nothing in the denominator, it remains 1 over there, so that's why this one was there. Now fraction above fraction and fraction below fraction. The above fraction denominator will go in the down denominator, and the down one fraction denominator will come up with the numerator, and hence it become 315 into 3600 over 1 into 1000. So hence 1134 kilometer per hour is the conversion of 315 meter per second. The conversion scales are given to you that will help you to solve C and D part of this question. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer and 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hour. To convert 242 meter per minute to kilometer per hour, d bar is given as 125 centimeter per second. The conversion is given as 1 centimeter equal to 1 over 100,000 kilometer, and 1 second equal to 1 over 3600 hour. Next, question number 4 is express each in meter per second. Now you are going to convert into meter per second only. First speed is given as 65 centimeter per second. Centimeter to be converted into meter, but in the denominator time is already given as second, so no need to convert it. 1 meter, again the smaller unit is going to convert it into the bigger unit, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meter. Numerator we will do multiplication, and denominator it remains 1 as nothing was there, so 1 is over there. Per second mean per unit second, per 1 second there. So above fraction, the 100 will go down in the denominator. It will multiply with 1 and remain as 100, and in the numerator we have 65. We will simplify to get our answer, that is 13 by 20 meter per second. Now no need to worry if you are going to give your answer in decimal form or fraction form. It will be same if your answer is correct and you have got the correct methodology to solve. Now here given different scales to solve B, C and D part. B part is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. You will use it to convert 367 kilometer per hour to meter per second. C part is 1000 centimeter per minute. 1 centimeter is a smaller unit, so we will use the fraction form. 1 by 100 meter and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. D part is 86 kilometer per minute. We are going to convert it into meter per second. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. These conversion will help you to convert B, C and D part speed into meter per second unit only. Try to solve it. Now you can solve question number 3 A till D part, question number 4 A till D part from exercise 9D, and you can attempt question number 20 A till D part from workbook chapter number 9 in your notebook. Good luck to solve these questions.